We'll guide you through how to deploy a front-end application using Vercel. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to vercel.com and log into your account, or create a new one if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Vercel dashboard. Here, you'll see a new project button. Click on that to start deploying your front-end. You'll be prompted to import a project from a Git repository, so make sure you have your front-end project pushed to a platform like GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. Vercel will ask for permission to access your repositories, so authorize this if you haven't done so before. After granting access, select the repository of the front-end project you want to deploy. Vercel will automatically detect the framework you're using, whether it's next.js, React, or another popular framework, and configure the build settings for you. You can review these settings and make changes if necessary, but usually, the defaults are good to go. Once everything looks good, click the Deploy button. Vercel will start building and deploying your project. You can monitor the deployment process through the Vercel dashboard. Once the deployment is complete, you'll receive a live URL for your front-end application, and you can share this URL with others or use it for further development. Remember, Vercel also provides custom domain setup, so you can attach your own domain to your project if you want a more personalized URL. With just a few clicks, you've successfully deployed your front-end on Vercel. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.